Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this really easy twisted updo. To start with, we're going to section the hair from the crown to the nape of the neck, so just section this into 2 equal halves. Working on the right hand section, split this into 2 even halves also, and pop a small elastic band in the top section to create a small ponytail. Clip this ponytail up and out of the way. And then with the remaining hair on the right hand side, we're just going to do the same. So pop in a clear elastic band, creating another small ponytail. And then just repeat this on the opposite side of the head. So when you're finished, you should be left with 4 little ponytails. Apply some texture spray all over the hair and then just pinch and pull at the hair at the top of the head just to give this a nice messy look. We're going to work on that top left hand ponytail first, so split it in half and just create a simple twist, but direct this over to the ponytail on the top right hand side. Once you reach that right hand side ponytail, just add another clear elastic band joining it to that ponytail, and then just use your fingers to pinch and pull at the twist to give it a lovely loose look. Add a few bobby pins just to stop that twist from drooping. So now take the ponytail on the top right hand side and we're going to do exactly the same. So split it in half, create a twist, but this time we're going to go down diagonal left to that bottom left hand ponytail. Wrap it around the ponytail and join it together with another clear elastic band. Pinch and pull at the twist to loosen everything up and add a few bobby pins just to keep everything in place. Okay, so taking that bottom left hand ponytail, split it in half, twist it towards the bottom right hand ponytail, wrap it around the base of that one and secure with another clear elastic band. Then just pinch and pull at that twist and secure with a few bobby pins. So for this last ponytail, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're actually going to create 2 twists out of this one. So split that ponytail in half, and with one half we're going to create a twist. So split it in 2 and twist it together, and we're going up towards the top left hand side. Now this can get a bit fiddly, so you're going to pass one section underneath that twist and the other one can come around the outside, and join this together with a clear elastic band. Then, just as we did before, pinch and pull at that twist and secure it to the head with a bobby pin or 2. Now, for that last section at the bottom on the right hand side, twist it together, and this time we're going up to the top right hand ponytail. Again, pass one section of that twist underneath the top twist and the other section can come around the outside, and join it together with another clear elastic band. Again, loosen up the twist by pinching and pulling and secure into the head with a bobby pin if needed. Now we're going to work on these two tail ends, so take that one on the top right hand side and just wrap it around your fingers, just so it covers any elastic bands that might be showing up there. And then just slip in a couple of bobby pins where your fingers are to hide that elastic band. And then the one on the top left hand side, again I wrapped around my fingers, but this time I've spread it out so it covers the bottom elastic band and the top elastic band. And then just secure this to the head using a few bobby pins. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.